Modeling mode is the main workspace for editing meshes. It's built around three parts: tools, which lets you perform different modeling actions; properties, which gives you detailed control over each tool; and groups, which organize related tools together. Everything in this mode is designed to help you shape and refine your mesh efficiently. Now, as you work, you'll rely on around 10 main tool groups, each covering a different part of the modeling workflow. Some groups help you create new shapes, others will help you edit or refine surfaces, and then others will focus on selecting or managing multiple objects. Together, they form a complete toolkit that lets you build almost anything that you can imagine inside of UModelerX. These groups include element, primitive shapes, drawing, selection, add, remove, deform, surface, miscellaneous, and the multiple object tools. Now, once you understand where these groups are and how their tools work, you'll be able to move through modeling mode with confidence and build your models quickly and naturally.